2nd, 2016, we're looking at 362 sitting on the Irvington siding that is making a power move of Tier 4's.
Yep.
Brand new NS Tier 4's that are on their way to Chattanooga.
I don't know which I'm more excited for, the donuts or the Tier 4's.
Let's be real, Tier 4's.
I mean, donuts, man.
Oh my God!
And there's the man, the myth, the legend himself.
We're meeting the... Oh, dear God. I don't know how to fit that in one shot.
Don't.
Alex is laughing with happiness right now. 15 locomotives. So it is now about, almost 6:30. We've got 362 right here at Irvington. 23N just got done working in Madison and is headed this way. So we're gonna have a meet here at Irvington, right? Gonna shoot them, get the meet there. Once 23N passes, 362 has, where was 362 cleared to? Just no idea, but yeah, he's cleared past here. So we're gonna jump on the other side of the tracks so we can chase him into Huntsville and hopefully get a good shot in Huntsville. Look at those things. Are eastbound once again to catch up with
362.
I mean, that's a train we've been chasing all morning. What do you think?
yes 362. So we nailed him at Huntsville, so we're gonna try and get him at Rock
Siding, or
So
if
we're
we can't
gonna-
get him there, we go to Midway.
Yeah, so he's got a straight shot to Stevenson, then he's going from there. So, but brand spanking new, never before used, or as the engineers called it, never been crunk. Tier 4's, the first NS Tier 4's, and we get to see them 3 times in a row.
Yeah.
Same day, daylight, no rain. Well, it rained a little bit this morning,
Yeah.
but you know, really nice. So, yeah, really good shots from Huntsville. So we're gonna try and get him at Brock, and then past that looks like they got a little bridge work, and then he's got a straight shot east from there. So, but we'll be back after Brock.